Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disconnect your Google account from your OLX account. So first we're going to open the OLX app. Then next we're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, we're going to click on the pencil button right under your name. So next we're going to scroll downwards until we find the Google option. So we're going to click on disconnect. Then here we're going to click on confirm. So after that, they're going to disconnect your Google account from your OLX account. So that's an easy process. You just have to click on a button. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. It's such a helpful app. We also have different videos in our How to Tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. We also have one on how to connect your Google account. So make sure to check it out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.